Hi guys, today we're talking about an interesting topic, the 3D printing technology. 3D printing technology also involved in construction of buildings. So normally some build the houses, they take 3 to 6 months in duration of completely. But it's a build 20 in house in 24 hours. It's really works on real world. Yes, it's really works on. There is the best company of the icon building construction companies by using the 3D printing technology to build the house in 24 hours. There is an icon company is using the 3D printing technology to build the different types of house to give to the peoples. The NewStory is the one of the non-profitable charity organization. It's founded in 2014. So provide the fund over the 4 countries like Latin America and Caribbean countries. There is a building the 2,200 homes for the 1,000 people. In Mexico, Celeste City, people were created their own small house of plastic covered. There is a NewStory non-profitable charity organization with joint hand with the icon company. They will provide the 3D printed house to the inadequate people. The 3D printed house contains the 500 square feet hall and 2 bedrooms and 1 kitchen and attached bathrooms. There is a totally overall the 2000 square feet 3D printing technology device is capability to build the 2000 square feet house is a 9 feet height and 28 feet width. The 3D printer device is using the concrete film like ink they used to print the house step by step. First of all, they build the house walls, then manually set up the windows and doors for the house. Normally, the one family is easily live in the house. It really helps us to poor people can easily live in the house. Next year, both companies are planned to deliver the house to the poor people in Tabasco City. They help us to decrease the 60% of cost from normal build house cost. There is a 4 advantage over the 3D printing houses. First of all, is the environment friendly, is the very inexpensive, and third one is the very shorter construction period. You can construct the house within 24 hours, and fourth one is a very uncommon shape, is the different from the normal house. The future is all the people live in the home is very happy.